Attention, financial warriors. Let me ask you something. How many times have you looked at your paycheck and you thought, this isn't cutting it? This isn't enough, just enough for me to live off of. Well, I hate to say it, but you just might be right. Why? What's the culprit? Inflation. It's that sneaky force shrinking your paycheck's power little by little, year after year. Why? Because prices keep rising. Groceries, gas, clothes, rent, you name it. And while your salary is trying to keep up, it's often just jogging or doing a light sprint behind the speeding train called inflation. But don't worry, I got a secret weapon to help you fight back. You want to know what it is? It's called the CPI inflation calculator. Brought to you by the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics on BLS.gov. That's B as in boy, L as in lion, S as in Sally.gov. And I must give a huge shout out to Chris Denham with Find My Cashflow for the brilliant conversation that we had, which inspired this video. Now, here's why this calculator is so powerful. The CPI inflation calculator tells you how far your income really goes. It helps you figure out whether your income is actually keeping up with the rising cost of living. So, are you ready for me to show you how it works? If so, let's use this example. Imagine this. You started a job in May 2024 making $80,000. You want to know how much that $80,000 is worth now in May 2025. That's based on the most recent data that's available with inflation. Here's what you do. You're going to head over to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics website at bls.gov. Scroll down the homepage until you see the CPI inflation calculator. Once you see it, in the first box, enter $80,000. That's your starting salary. Right below, choose May in the left drop-down box. In the year 2024, in the right drop-down box, that sets your starting point. Next, move to the second set of drop-downs boxes just above the blue button. Select May again on the left and 2025 on the right. That's your comparison date. Now click the blue button labeled calculator and boom! Just like that, the calculator shows you need around $82,000 today to have the same buying power you had with $80,000 1 year ago. Basically, you need $2,000 more just to maintain the same lifestyle you had with the $80,000 1 year ago. Now, do you see why I call it a secret weapon? This tool is golden when you're one, asking for a raise, two, evaluate a new job offer, three, negotiating your worth, or four, just simply understanding your financial reality. And the best part, it's free. Free, free. It's super easy to use. You see, we just did it in less than 1 minute. So please, I'm begging you, you don't want to sleep on this. Inflation is real and it's not going anywhere. but so is your power to respond strategically. And if you or someone you care about is an ambitious mid-career professional woman looking for real practical financial guidance and coaching without judgment, shame, or complex jargon, I got you. Click the Calendly link below to schedule your free, yes, I said free, Zoom session with me at Pivotal Solutions Management, or shoot us an email at Fin, that's Fin, lit, Lit, 365 at the pivotal, PIV as in Victor, OTAL solutions, that was with the S at the end. That's Fin, lit, 365 at thepivotalsolutions.com. And remember, you are the author of your financial journey. Turn the page with intention. Why? Because your financial future isn't waiting for the perfect time. Instead, it's simply waiting for you to make the next move. And I am yours truly, Dr. LaKeisha Lowe, a.k.a. Dr. LL with Pivotal Solutions Management. I wish God's blessings upon you.